Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview leisure time fast gloss. What is leisure time fast gloss? A polish and cleaner made from reactive silicones that meets the performance requirements of today: durability, depth of gloss, water repellency, easy application and buffing without streaking or smearing. Product benefits: cleans and polishes spa shell. Especially designed to protect spa surface from sunlight, temperature and chemicals. No streaking. No smearing. Usage directions. Step 1. Make sure intended surface is dry. Step 2. Apply fast gloss to surface using a dry cloth. Step 3. Spread evenly to one area at a time with circular overlapping motion. Step 4. Allow 10 to 15 minutes to dry. Step 5. Wipe off residue with clean, dry cloth while turning cloth frequently. Step 6. Repeat if desired gloss is not achieved. Additional information. Compatible with chlorine, bromine, ozone and biguanide sanitizers and all spa finishes. Tips. Do not apply to wet surfaces. Thank you, I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.